Billy the Bulldozer.
New from These Guys Toys comes Billy the Bulldozer, a real small hydraulic bulldozer. Watch his arm move up and down, powered by hydraulics. No hill too small for him to flatten with his mighty shovel. Watch him move the earth in real time. His 2 plastic syringes filled with water, but Billy doesn't break a sweat. Place him on an incline and watch as his gravitational potential energy converts into kinetic energy. Load force of shovel equals your effort times surface area of the remote divided by surface area of the receptor. Safe for ages 3 and up, fun and exciting for the whole family. No children were harmed in the making of this toy. Billy the Bulldozer, buy yours now from These Guys Toys.